Day 5 of the 30-day momentum roadmap. So optimize your social media profile. Your profile is your storefront. Set it up to turn visitors into followers, leads, or both. So let's get into it. Okay. So your profile is your storefront, right? Profile picture and bio, that's your storefront. The first thing people see. It either attracts or repels before they ever watch a single video. Stop thinking of social media and stop thinking of it as social media and start thinking of it as your business storefront. So your window display, that's your videos and your captions. Like the title on the screen is the captions. That's basically the window display for your business. Okay. What makes people want to click and step inside? It's based on the videos, what they see in the captions, and how you organize everything. So you want it to make it look nice and have really good titles and captions to grab people's attention. This is how you turn scrollers into followers. And your front door to your business, it's the link in your bio. So the entry point to your business, every piece of content should lead people here. Okay. Now, the three essentials, three things every profile needs. Get these three things right, and your profile will start doing the work for you. Okay. Number one, your bio tells them who you help and how. I help burnt out professionals build income using systems without overwhelm, for example. Or I help busy moms lose weight using a simple method without spending a lot of time. Okay, whatever. Or if you're doing the relationships, I can be like, I help people in their 40s attract their soulmate using a simple strategy without having to fear rejection, something like that. Okay. All right. So number two, your profile picture that feels friendly and trustworthy. Excuse me. So it should be you in the photo, smiling, close up, clear, like the best quality image. The better the quality of the image, the better. Like you want to have a top quality image, and you want to be close to the camera so they can see you. They can see your face clearly. Okay, you don't want to be like hanging out way in the back or like having a picture of your dog or something. Have it be a picture of you and your beautiful smiling face. Okay. Smiling, approachable, real. Shows your face, creates an emotional connection the moment somebody lands on your profile. Okay, number three, your link in the bio always. Type it in manually if you can't add a clickable link yet. Like on TikTok, you need over 1,000 followers to have a clickable link, but you can also type it in manually. Okay, you can use a little link emoji plus your domain. So even a non-clickable link works, people will type it in. Okay, if people really want more information, they will type it in. Okay. Now the bio formula that works. Fill in the blanks below to write a bio that attracts your perfect customer. I help who achieve what result using how without fear, without like whatever the fear is or the objection that they might have. Okay. Like I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. Okay. Now, wealth. So, like, here's an example of the wealth industry. I help burned out professionals build automated income online using short videos and a proven system without quitting their job first. Okay. Here's the health industry. I help busy moms lose weight and get their energy back using a simple daily system without counting calories or giving up the foods they love. Relationships. I help single women in their 30s and 40s attract the relationship they deserve using confidence coaching without dating apps or desperation. See, those are really nice. And so, whatever it is, whatever your business is, follow this formula. Keep it under 150 characters. Clear beats clever every time. Always have your link in the bio. Okay. Always have your link in the bio. Always. Non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Okay. So if you can add a clickable link, go to your profile settings and add your domain in the website field. This is the only link you need to promote. Everything else is handled automatically once they opt in. Opt in means they give you their email. Okay. If you can't add a clickable link yet, like TikTok, if you have under 1,000 followers, then type your domain directly into your bio. Add a link emoji if you want before it and a simple CTA like tap the link for blueprint details or click here for access. People will type it in manually if they're interested. Okay. Pro tip from experience. When people couldn't click the link, they would message me saying it wasn't clickable, which proves they were actually looking at the profile. A non-clickable link is better than no link. Always keep your link there. Okay. So there you go. Just tell people, like, even when I go live and I don't have a clickable link, I just tell people they have the links in the bio, but you might have to type it in the browser. So value-driven hooks for day 5. Okay. Your content for today. Today's content is about profile optimization. Teach it. That's what makes you an authority. So this is value content. Okay. You're not pitching a business, right? So here's a value hook. Your social media bio is either attracting or repelling customers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it. And then you just teach what you learned today. Works in any niche, swap social media for your platform. Okay. So like your TikTok bio or whatever, your YouTube bio. Authority hook. Want more people to take you seriously? Start here. The first thing I changed before I started getting leads was ... Teach what you've learned, what like you have experienced, like you have experiences that other people don't have. Like for me, like if you want people to take you seriously, be more consistent because consistency is success. Okay. So consistency hook. You want people to take you seriously? You have to be consistent. You can't show up one day and disappear for 3. Here's why. Okay. Tell them that, like, tell them the importance of consistency. Okay. So this is great for wealth, health, and relationships. Consistency applies everywhere. Storefront hook. Your social media profile isn't just a profile, it's your storefront. Here's what it needs to say to turn visitors into customers. Okay. So it's a visual metaphor that resonates with any business builder, right? So when you give great value, people think, wow, where has this person been my entire life? So these are value posts. You're just giving them tips that will help them in their life. Okay. And you're not pitching anything, right? That's a value post. The consistency truth. Consistency is how you get taken seriously. What inconsistency looks like. Monday, post about cats. Wednesday, post about makeup. Friday, post about your online business. You don't have a consistent message, okay? Keep your message on point based on the business that you're building, right? People don't know what you're about, so they don't follow you, okay? So show up every day. The algorithm rewards consistency. Post every day, at least one post a day. So see, the algorithm rewards consistency, so do your future customers. Every day you don't post is a day your competitors do. Stay in your lane. Connect all of your content back to your niche. Share your personal stories, but always tie them back to who you help and how. Be the same person daily. Same voice, same energy, same mission. When people land on your profile, they should immediately know what you're about. Okay? People don't follow perfection, they follow people they know, like, and trust consistently. All right. So that's day 5. Optimize your storefront, update your bio, who you help and how, add a friendly real profile picture, put your link in the bio, clickable or typed, screenshot your profile and share it in the community. Post one value-driven video using today's hooks. Okay, that's your mission if you choose to accept it. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.